We're in today with the Matrox M9188. This is a 2011 video card with 2 GB of VRAM DDR2. It's got 8 mini display ports in the back. It's got 128 bits bus width, DirectX 10.1 support, OpenGL 2.0, not an official frequency published by Matrox, but based on the previous video cards on this series. It's got around 500 MHz on the core clock and 700 MHz on the memory clock. Today we're gonna pair it up with this Intel Core 2 Quad Q9650 with 4 cores and 4 threads. The reason why I'm in Windows XP is that they say it's compatible with Windows 7, 8, Windows 10, Linux server, Windows Server and stuff like that. I've seen the drivers on Matrox website and it says you can download the drivers for Windows XP. And I was like, okay, you know what? Let's try it in Windows XP because I have all games here. I got DirectX 10 games. I got a non-demanding game in order to put this video card up to the test. This is not a gaming video card. This is more like a glorified display adapter with 8 ports in the back. And I think the best thing I can do is just show you the software, display management software. Then we're gonna jump in a couple of games and see how this dual BGA display adapter is working. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Multi-display setup. I'll click around this menu. Daniel, can you show yourself off? Okay, so I click on this menu, a couple of buttons here and there, and I managed to understand that this video card, I can use this video card to set up with multiple display. This is a fantastic idea. Let me explain why. In this menu, I got use stretch mode. This is the setup that I can get from this. I got stretch 2x1, 3x2. This is really nice to actually set up multiple display. This video card knows, I think this is meant for this, seriously. I would love this 4x2, seriously, to have 4 monitors in 2 rows. This is awesome. I don't know who's using this, but I will definitely like to see a setup with this video card and how it's performing. You can clone the display in 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 monitors depending on how many ports you can connect to this. This one has 8, so I'm guessing this one TN can do like that. You can set up every single resolution for and frequency apparently for each output. So if I go for this that I have here, I got 720p, 1080p and 60 Hz. If I go on the second one, you can actually see I got different type of resolutions and I think it's working. I don't know, maybe I can go on the second port. I don't even know what's the difference between, maybe I can connect in the back and it shows me different type of resolution. Like I said, I got 2560 by 1600. If I connect with the DisplayPort, display manually, you can select each one of them. Elgato C output 1. This is the one that I'm using here today. Depth, color, and frequency. This is the frequency that they managed to output here. Keyboard shortcuts. I can put keyboard shortcut, zoom, region, using mouse, using cells, pointer. Wow, this is very interesting. Maybe I didn't pay attention with NVIDIA. This is a very interesting video card to test here. I got lowest quality, I think, and I'm gonna set up the game in such a way so I can maybe benefit from it. In MS Afterburner, this video card didn't show nothing. The only thing it shows now is memory 1. That's it. I think this video card was not designed for gaming, and I'm 100% sure the code, the shaders, the CUDA code, nothing is not the same like a generic ATI or NVIDIA, you know, or AMD video card, or even a gaming Matrox video card, because I have another video card that I want to test and it's totally different than this one. So you're gonna see this is a very interesting performance, but look at this. Look at the pixelation. I got 45 FPS. Okay, so I put higher quality. And look at this. I got 10 FPS. I mean, the quality is here, but I have 0 performance, seriously. So quality, look at the edges. Yeah, that's it. You can actually see it looks okay, theoretically. Any artifacts, shadows, I got the shadow. This is good. I got 1.6 gig of system RAM utilized, only 1 core on the CPU side, and only 100 megabytes of VRAM utilized. Literally, this is not made for gaming, seriously. This video card, I mean, why does it have 1 gig of VRAM per core? For, I'm guessing for 8 display ports, you know, or TVI, whatever you want to connect to that. But this is weird. I can look in the sky and get more FPS like this. You know, this is how you play a game that is not working really nice with your video card. You know, just look at the sky and get more FPS. Minimal. Now I got 60 FPS, but the screen is super small. Look at this. See? You know, it's funny because in NVIDIA control panel or ATI, you can take it and square it or put it on 4x3 automated. But here, this is how it's putting the game. It's so funny. I freaking love it. So I'm happy that I managed to show you like this. I'm not joking. Even I see the same thing like on my monitor, like I'm seeing in the capture card. It's one corner, small corner. I'm playing the game. And I go at the monitor like this. Wow, I got 60 FPS, seriously. But now the virtual memory is down. I got only 800 megabytes of virtual memory, 45 megabytes of VRAM utilized, and on the video card itself I had over 100 megabytes, and sometimes it's 100 FPS. I think for all games it's gonna be very interesting. Maybe this video card needs to run with multiple screens. This is funny, seriously. I'm experiencing this for the first time, and I love it, seriously. I love this type of errors. It shows me the true colors of this video card, and maybe we can actually explore some solution with this. All right, so 800 by 600. What I can do here is manually adjust this, seriously. I put it in the middle so I can have it. This is not the screen itself, you know, this is the software that is recording. I managed to put myself in this squarey thing so I can understand that properly. You can understand that properly because my one is on the monitor, it's on the left side, the same square, but it's on the left side. I want to play the game. I want to see how this is working. So with low quality, with 800 by 600, I got 50 FPS. I think I have to go on 640 or something in order to get the proper FPS. I mean nearly to 60 FPS. I got only 47 megabytes, 48 megabytes of VRAM utilized. This is low quality, seriously. Some AGP video card can actually do much better in this case. Some low-end video card, PCI Express video card. I'll take an MVS over this all day, seriously, because it's doing a much better job. But it's got 2 gig of VRAM. Well, that 2 gig of VRAM is not helping me in here because it's DDR2 and it's not made for gaming, apparently. Even though it's a low-speed core, on their website they don't say nowhere what this video card specs are, you know. Somebody said in a corner on a forum somewhere it's around 500 megahertz based on the previous models. It's not made for gaming, but I'm gaming on it, you know, which they say it's 35 watts. Well, it doesn't have an external power supply, so based on the performance that I got now here with 800 by 600 with low quality, that is giving me what, let's do a refresh here, 40-50 FPS on average. Actually 60 FPS, this is interesting. 50 FPS on average. I will say, yeah, that is true. Seriously, that is a true performance. 35 watts. I'm not saying no because it's believable in this case. Does it run Crysis? It's like the most supreme question that I can put for this Matrox. 12 FPS. Let's see the settings. We got 720p. Do I have any lower resolution for this? 800 by 600. We'll take that one. Low quality. Let's go. 9 FPS. Look at that. 102 ms. Daniel, what are you doing with this video card? Well, I'm utilizing the VRAM. I got 2 gig of VRAM for this video card. It's got 2 cores. Did I say it's got 2 cores? And it's got 1 gig of VRAM per core, and I'm using only 100 megabytes of VRAM with 8 FPS. Ooh, this is not okay, seriously. This is not a good performance from this, seriously. I want more performance from this. So I'm guessing this is good to watch movies on this, you know, to split it on the 8 display ports, but until now I'm not very satisfied with this. Does it explode? Let's see. 10 FPS. 9 FPS, 7 on minimal and 3 on 1%. Very, very interesting performance this. Seriously, an interesting performance this video card is offering here. Do you think it's possible to make this video card run some games? I don't think so, seriously. I don't think I can find a game that is working on this. Maybe some software render games that doesn't require direct acceleration, you know, maybe those ones. It says OpenGL 2.0. Maybe we can play some old Quake with it. That's it. We need to play Quake. Alright, so Quake, like I said, I want to see how this game, maybe I need a game that works on this, seriously, on this Matrox. I can't believe it's got 2 gig of VRAM and it's barely running. 800 by 600. I want to see only the resolution. I'm gonna keep it on 800 by 600, but I want to see the resolution 1024. Usually because it shows the real resolution this video card has got, you know. So I got 1600 by 1200. That I know that. 2040. All right, low quality apparently. System low quality with 800 by 600 to see if I can get 91 FPS on this. All right, let's see. 91 FPS. Apparently it's working. Ooh, very fluent. I want 91 FPS constant so I can play the game and say, you know what, this video card can do it. It's holding here this performance. How much VRAM I got? 33 megabytes of VRAM. Oh yes. Apparently I can put more details and quality in order to see if I can push this video card to more performance. All right, let's go into the setup. I got texture quality. We can max it out, I think. 32 bits, 3 linear vertex line map, color depth 32 bits, and quality geometric details high. Wow, okay, now it looks better, seriously. Okay, 91 FPS still holding. Let's do a reset. It looks better now. See, this is what I'm expecting. Still holding on 91 FPS. Considering what I have today, I'm not judging and I'm not saying nothing here because this is not made for gaming. But if it's working with this, I'll call it a win. Only game that matters here. Imagine putting this on 8 screens. That would be so funny. 8 screens, Quake playing with this. It's working with 800 by 600 or maximum details. The CPU doesn't have any stress in this case. You can actually see it's holding pretty well. But if you're not pushing it to higher resolution, you're gonna see that it's holding okay. I think that if I go on 720p, it's gonna butcher it, but this game doesn't support it. But if I keep the game on this type of low resolution, it's gonna work really nice. 800 by 600. This is good. So you understand, the game looks like this in a corner on my monitor, but I put it there like this in the middle so you can see it properly, like a retro gaming video card. It's not a retro gaming video card by any far. Listen to me, I got 51 megabytes of VRAM allocated here and used. Look at that, 77. Oh, Doom is using this. Ooh, 26 FPS. What the quality you have, Daniel? I got 800 by 600 on ultra. Keep it like this. Let's go medium quality. Let's go medium quality. I can't believe I have to put medium quality in Doom with this video card. What the heck? I can't make the game work, seriously. Look at it. It's artifacting. If it's not on ultra, it doesn't work. I want to see if it's working in the game. Maybe it's working in the game with there, but I put medium quality and low quality. Look at that. It doesn't work with medium and high quality. It doesn't work. So I think this is the menu. Yeah, this is the menu. And this is ultra quality, high, medium, and low. Let's go on low. Let's try low quality. All right, so I tested ultra, I tested high, I tested medium quality, and it doesn't work. Seriously, this is the only way it works with ultra quality. It's very interesting. It's artifacting. I'm not disappointed that it fails the video card in gaming, but at the same time, I'm happy that I managed to see artifacting and some new interesting results from a video card that is not meant for gaming. You know, so I'm in Doom with this video card, and I'm playing this with oh, look at this. Wait, what the heck is going on? 2 FPS. Oh, this is cool. See, look at him. 2 FPS. What the heck is going on? Yeah, this video card was not meant for gaming. come on, look at that. Yo, look at that, 14 FPS. I wish I had low quality, but I cannot play with low quality. If this is the reason why this video card was invented, and this is the only performance I can get, you know what, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna find the right games for this, and one day I'm gonna have 8 displays playing an old game with this video card. Seriously, it will be fantastic to see. This is interesting. Wait, let me explain. Battlefront, I'm playing with this. This is banana. I want to play this game more. All right, let's see what we got here. 80 FPS, this is good. I can actually have a standing chance on actually playing a game. Can I get a heavy here? Which one is heavy? Arc, missile launcher, ball, sniper, AMP launcher. Nah, this is good. Let me explain what I have. I got video options. I got 800 by 600 with low quality. Very interesting. Terrain quality low. Let's put medium, water quality medium, particle medium, shadow low, on, motion blur. Okay, that's it. I had like 90 FPS. And it was like, almost there. 80 FPS, I can take it, you know. I can take this resolution or the quality a little higher, you know. I want more field of view, view distance and stuff like that. This is interesting performance. All right, so 43 megabytes of VRAM allocated here. It's doing the job. And I think I have a standing chance in a couple of games with this. Only one, actually I got 2 cores utilization on this CPU. Only 671 megabytes of system RAM utilized and 500 virtual memory. It's holding okay temperature wise, you know. If I'm interested on playing this game with more FPS, I know that I have a lot of quality that I can put down. And on this resolution and this quality, not bad. Age of Empires 800 by 600 with low details. This is gonna be very interesting. I want games like this. 100 FPS. Look at this. It actually works. Okay, I'll take you. I'll take the performance this video card is offering here. Nice quality, nice performance. 40 megabytes of VRAM allocated, and on the system side 800 of system RAM. It's working, the computer. Only got 1 core utilized. 26%, 28% load on the CPU with 50% with 50 degrees. Averaging really okay. And let's see, maybe we can actually move around the map, see something different, and maybe we can engage with this. Preparado. Okay, go on the map and see what we got. 100 FPS, very good. This is low quality, so if I'm staying with low quality, I have a standing chance on actually playing the game with this. It's dropping below. I have to move around and see, maybe we can actually do something that it's lowering the FPS. 60 FPS, it's okay on minimal, and 23 on 1%. That's not okay, but I got options, you know, in this case. Maybe 800 by 600 because of the capture card, and that's not okay. So 41 FPS on minimal. The more I move around the map, the more I build, the more I interact. You can actually see it's very interesting. So it does the job. No discussion. It does a fantastic job in this case. Very interesting performance from this video card in Spider-Man. I got 800 by 600 with maximum details. Works really nice. Doesn't have any problems on the performance side. That means it's working okay with the video card. Doesn't have any bugs. So with games like this, it's working. Come on, blast that robot. Okay, it's working. Okay, so 64 megabytes of VRAM. 1% 46, 51 minimal. It's doing okay, you know, this video card. I'm sitting here thinking that this is a high-end video card. Why do I have that feeling? It looks high-end. The fan, the memory, the placement of the cores, the memory, how it's placed around the cores. You know, it feels very genuine, this video card, very high-end. You know, it says it's got 2 gig of VRAM. If this was launched as a video card for gaming, it would have been very deceiving. Seriously, this. Maybe I can put higher resolution. It would be fantastic to see how it's performing with higher resolution. But I think the best thing for this will be to have a mosaic with 8 monitors to see how it's performing. I'm just curious, does it use dual core? That's the only thing I would like to see, seriously. Very interesting Matrox video card. I think it needs more videos with this video card. I think we need to go in Windows 7, find other things. Maybe I can find some other applications that is required for this video card. Maybe some monitors, maybe some games. I don't know, this needs to be tested more. Very interesting video card, seriously. Like I said at the beginning, the reason why I tested with Windows XP because of the low-end game, older games, low requirements, and it offers me the possibility to actually see if it's working with Windows XP. Windows XP, it was not recommended, but it's got the drivers there in the setup, I mean in Matrox website, and it did offer me exactly flawless everything on the table. I took it, showed you how it's performing, and I say, you know what, it's a very weird quirky video card, but it's not meant for gaming. It's got 2 GB of VRAM DDR2, 128 bits bus width, 500 megahertz on the core, like the previous, not like this one. Everybody's assuming, and yeah, I'll say this is special, but not even now. I don't know if it's working with dual BG. I think you have to connect all of the display ports in the back in order to benefit from this video card at full power. Regardless, it's in the hand, it's working, and any ideas will be very welcome to actually see this video card running at full capacity, or the application, or the games, or whatever it's meant to be doing. Seriously, maybe it's only meant to show 8 monitors. If you have any ideas for this video card or for the system, leave a comment, smash that like button, and as usual, I will see you very soon.